I just got out of the Delhi High Court after doing my matter. We filed a quashing petition in a rape case, and we were able to, because of the special circumstances of the case, able to get a stay order on the first hearing itself, and the court was pleased to stay the trial court proceedings. In this particular case, it is very astounding that the police registered an FIR by a lady who says that I was married to this gentleman, and later I found out that it was his second marriage. Now, while having a discussion with my team members, we came across this one judgment of the Honorable Bombay High Court a couple of months ago, which said that if you have married a second time and you have kept your first marriage hidden, then prima facie a rape case is made out. And while going through this judgment, I say, what is the rationale? If you, after a second marriage, if for a second marriage you are punishing a person for the offense of rape, is there even an allegation that a false promise was made? But even otherwise, why does the offense of bigamy exist in the statute books? If you've got the idea that you want to prosecute a person who, as per allegations, hid his first marriage from his second wife. But irrespective of that fact, we argued our matter. We pointed out to the judge that according to the complainant's version in our particular matter, we got married in 2013, and in 2019 she finds out that I am already married. And the biggest kicker amongst all of this is the fact that the lady herself already was married on a prior occasion. She claims that she has been divorced with her first husband, but she has never been able to prove anywhere or bring any sort of document to show that she was actually divorced from her first husband. And the funniest among all of this is that 2 years prior to filing this rape case, she first filed a domestic violence petition and a petition under section 125 CRPC claiming maintenance from the said man, saying that they were lawfully married. And when we were able to effectively oppose these matters, she went ahead and filed a rape case as well, in which she says, I was raped because technically I was never his wife, because the marriage was void ab initio, because he was already married, and that therefore whatever sexual intercourse we had was rape. The High Court was kind enough to stay these absurd proceedings, and hopefully we'll be able to get justice for the client and have the matter completely quashed in the next few coming months. But another lesson that everyone should remember, even if you have a horrible case against you which you have enough proof and the law is in your favor, will you be able to immediately get the matter quashed? The answer is no. Today is, I believe, the 4th of November 2022. The court issued notice and stayed the trial court proceedings, but the next date in the matter is 23rd of March 2023. What is going to happen on the next date of hearing? The only thing that's going to happen is that the complainant is going to say, I need some more time to file my reply. Then the matter will keep getting dragged on for at least 2 or 3 more hearings, at least 2 or 3 months of months of time between each adjournment. And at the end of it all, you've got a completely false and frivolous case which has already dragged on for about 1.5 years till now, and will most probably keep getting dragged on for another 2 or 3 years. And that is why I always advise people facing false cases like this one, that you should not just be sitting and saying, okay, I'll show the court my proof and I'll get my justice. Justice becomes very abstract on a lot of occasions. Instead, it is much better that you file your own cases against the opposite party. You avail of your legal remedies against the opposite party who has also caused many wrongs against you. You do not wait till the time that you are acquitted in false proceedings against you and then proceed for perjury or anything else. You try to attack the opposite party, the opponent, to the best possible extent in as many ways as possible, so that the other party also understands that they have also something to lose, and they come to the negotiation table, and hopefully both parties can take back the cases filed against each other and put an end to their miseries.